Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play with friends and invite them to Posse in Red Dead Online. Alright, so let's begin. Playing together makes the game way more fun, especially when you're exploring the Wild West or completing missions as a team. So, in order to play Red Dead Online with your friends, you have to follow these steps. First, launch the game and enter Red Dead Online. Once you're in a session, press left on your D-pad. This will open up the interaction menu. From here, select the players option at the top. Inside this section, you'll see different categories like nearby players, recent players, and your friends list. Now, go to your friends list and select the friend you want to play with. You'll see an option to invite them to your session. Simply send the invite, and once they accept, they'll join your game. You can also do the opposite. Join your friend's session if they invite you. Once your friend is in the same session, the next step is to form a Posse. Press left on the D-pad again to bring up the menu, then scroll down and select Posse. From here, you can create your own Posse. If you're on PlayStation, press square, or if you're on Xbox, press X to form it. After creating your Posse, go into the Posse menu and select Invite to Posse. You can now invite your friends or even nearby players to join your group. Once they accept, you'll all be in the same Posse, allowing you to complete missions, roam, and earn rewards together. And that's it. This is how you can play with friends and invite them to Posse in Red Dead Online. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.